Hello. This is the first time I've come back from a trip that I have so much responsibility. I always said I was 100% in that moment. I was enjoying my time away. However, when I returned, the number one priority is this home remodel. So it is confusing. It's overwhelming. It's discouraging. But that doesn't mean it's not done. I think that's just what comes with it. Right? So let's go look at it. Let's go look at the property. We're gonna do I think I'm gonna make this entire video about that. It's not a bad thing. Because you know what they say, what you think about, you bring about. What you think about, what you bring about. So it's probably best that I put some energy into thinking about this house. Are you ready? Let's check this out. I've got to shrink the dream down. So let me explain what's happening today. Today's an important day because I've 100%, I have to talk in definitives. That's my new thing. There's no I feel, there's no, I have to speak in definitives. I know that I have to decrease the dream. Hold on, here's the deal. Did I need to decrease the dream and increase the budget? No, we're gonna leave the budget the same, but I think I have to decrease the dream. I got my first quote. It's not gonna happen. It can't happen. You could shave some figures off of it, still not happening. All right, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna look at something. This back of the house, this is gonna be windowed and opened. This is gonna be a pool. Yeah, like a lap pool. But the only room I need built is a bathroom that probably begins here. This whole back, master bathroom. I love operating solo, but I feel very alone on this. Out of my league alone. So I gotta figure out how to start this. How do you want to do this? This is obviously a kitchen, a bad kitchen. I want this to be the master. So this is a walk-in closet. So this is a master wardrobe that takes you into the new bathroom that will be out that window. It's all here. Here. And you know what? That's where the plumbing is. So I'm not asking anything crazy. All of this is one open plan. Yeah. All of this. So that wall is coming down. That wall is coming down. For everybody to ask me where I am on the house, nothing's happening. It's just been in planning. It's been architectural. It's been in bidding. And my friends, the bids are in. And the bids say, re-dream the dream. There's sliders, windows. The wall comes down. This is the new kitchen where this bathroom is. Baseball. Bad windows, bad remodel. New entrance, right? New entrance. Courtyard, you won't even see that. I feel like people have helped me as a favor, which I'm highly appreciative, but I feel like I need, no, speak in definitives, there's no feel. I must take over for this to be the house I require it to be. Speak in definitives. I must take over for this house to be the house that I require it to be. Home Depot. Home Depot. I need to go sledgehammer shopping. Let's go to Home Depot. All right, gloves, and safety goggles. Here's my mind. I'm definitely buying this today. I'm not necessarily destroying anything today, but I don't know how I'm gonna buy it without testing. So I'm thinking maybe we'll make the first like the christening of a ship. Oh, God. How easy. So poorly done here. That's coming down a lot easier than I thought. Not bad. Okay. So what I'm doing, what I'm excited about, this is really the first time I can get the idea. Hold on, let me see. But I can get the idea of the one full open room, and obviously, not yet. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but I believe it's $4,000 saved if I tear it up. Looks like original cinder block. Okay. So what does that mean? Making progress. If progress equals mess, we're making progress. I've got this open. This is the new living room. This is all gonna be open, right? So I'm learning that there's block behind this. Siri, what's the definition of a load-bearing wall? You think I should have that information? Let's just leave it at that. I'm running out of time. It's a lot more that has to be done. This is a one-man show, and there's only so much of me to go around. Yeah. I don't know where my safety goggles are, so we'll just wear these. I like the Instagram comments that said, "Do you know what you're doing?" Not really.